When you want to copy and save a circuit in Autocad Electrical, you don't just want to use the copy selection command. So don't do this. Just don't go and select all of it like this using a crossing selection, for example, and doing the right click and then using copy there. You don't want to do that. The reason being is all of that circuit that you've got there already is linked to the Autocad Electrical project database. If you just do a copy, that's going to replicate what's already there. That could cause chaos later on down the line with the electrical project. You need to use the copy circuit command. Let's just hit escape there to lose that menu and hit escape again to lose the selection. What I'm going to do is use a new drawing. So there's my JIC wiring schematics 3. I'm going to make that active in the project. So let's go over to the project, right click, add active drawing. Yes to applying the project default values, and off it goes. There's 003, JIC wiring schematic 3, and as you can see the numbering and the naming is consistent. So let's use this copy circuit command. The copy circuit command is on the schematic tab, and on the ribbon it's the edit components panel, and it's just here, copy circuit. So I'll select copy circuit, and it asks me to select the objects to copy. Click and drag for my crossing selection window, make sure I've got all of the circuit there. Press enter or right click to confirm, and it'll ask, as usual, for a base point or displacement. What we need to do there, make sure you've got your object snap and your polar on down here on the status bar. Just makes life that little bit easier. So I'll snap there to the endpoint snap, click, and as I drag, the polar tracking kicks in, so it keeps it all nice and horizontal and level. And as I drag that across, I'll just click again to place it. I then get this, copy circuit options. Now, these bits here, blank all and retag all, I haven't got, they're greyed out. But because I've got terminals, it's asking me, do I want to keep the existing terminal numbers on the new copied circuit? Do I want blank terminal numbers so I can go and edit them? Or do I want to increase the terminal numbers? Well, in this case, I'm going to select increase, the default, and click on OK. And as you can see, it ticks on through there, and you'll notice the command line flashes through various commands. And if I zoom in now on those terminals, you'll see there, look, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what it's done there is it's added to my 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it's got to 4 and thought, I've got a copy now. I need to copy those terminals. There's 4 of them, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So I'll just double click on the wheel there to do a zoom extent. I've got an exact copy of this left-hand circuit on the right, but all of the circuit information has been updated. So the terminal numbers in this case have been updated for me. That's why you always use copy circuit. It's very important. Don't use copy selection. So what we'll do next is we'll look at how we actually save a circuit into the Insert Components panel, and that way we can just place the circuit as if we were going to the icon menu here to place a symbol.